Today, we're diving into the AKSO Foldable Treadmill Desk, a 3-in-1 fitness solution for your home office. This treadmill isn't just a walking pad, it's a full-fledged running machine with a powerful 2.5 HP motor, offering speeds from 0.6 to 7.6 mph. The standout feature is the built-in desk workstation. The adjustable LCD screen allows you to set up your laptop or phone at the perfect angle, eliminating the need for an additional desk. The 37-inch desk height is suitable for most adults, making it convenient for those who want to stay active while working. With a 300 pounds weight capacity, the 41.5 x 16-inch 5-layer anti-slip running belt ensures a comfortable and secure workout. The durable steel construction adds to the treadmill's stability, providing confidence to users of varying body types. What sets this treadmill apart is its easy folding and storage design. Move it effortlessly with the built-in wheels and store it under your sofa or bed, maximizing space in your room. The LCD display panel, along with the Fitness app, allows you to track your distance, time, calories, and speed. The app keeps a comprehensive record of your fitness data, making it ideal for creating effective workout plans. The inclusion of a pause button on the panel retains your data for 30 minutes, preventing the need to stay connected to the treadmill while reviewing your progress. AKSO stands by its product, with FCC approval and a commitment to quality. If you have any questions, their 7/24 customer service and lifetime after-sales support are ready to assist. In summary, the AKSO Foldable Treadmill Desk is a versatile and space-saving fitness solution, seamlessly integrating into your home office routine. Stay productive and fit with this all-in-one treadmill. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.